Nature's love envelops us in so many beautiful ways. Just think about the vibrant colors of blooming flowers that brighten our days and lift our spirits. The gentle whispers of the wind soothe our minds, reminding us to pause and breathe. The sun's warmth nurtures life, while the rain refreshes the earth, providing us with food and water. Trees stand tall, offering shade and oxygen, a testament to nature's quiet generosity. Even the smallest details, a bird's song or the rustle of leaves, speak of balance and harmony. Every element of nature is a reminder of our deep connection.